वीडियो पसंद आती है तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिएगा। शुक्रिया।
Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Mummy's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a strawberry milkshake. The ingredients we will be needing for 2 servings are 7 to 8 strawberries, 2 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of double cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you want to add more or less, you can. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now it's time to make the strawberry milkshake. Add 2 cups of milk into a blender. After that, add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix. Once you've added both together, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now add 2 tablespoons of double cream. Once you've added them together, add the strawberries. Now I'm going to blend. Now it's time to serve it in a glass. I have served the milkshake and now I'm going to add ice cream and strawberries, which is optional. I have added all the ingredients I have left. Now the strawberry milkshake is ready. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to subscribe, like the videos if you like it, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you next time. Bye.